Hi everyone, today in this video I am going to show you how to install VMware Fusion on Mac and create Windows 11 25H to virtual machine. Now I am going to download VMware Fusion. Open web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use your favorite browser. Type here in Google search. Download VMware for Mac. Press enter. Now you can see VMware official website link. You can download VMware on it, but you may require valid user account. If you don't have account, you can create on it. You can also download VMware Mac version on third party, like Softsonic. In this video demonstration I am using third-party website. Now click on Softsonic website. Scroll down. Click Download for Mac. Scroll down. Click again Download for Mac. I don't want to notification. Click Close. Now the downloading is started. It is 540 megabits VMware setup file. You will have to wait until the download is completed. Now the downloading is completed. Close web browser. Go to Finder. Click Downloads. Right-click on VMware Fusion. Open with Disk Image Mounter. Close Downloads. Let's double-click on VMware Fusion. Verifying Fusion. Click Open. Type here Rohit password. Click OK. Initializing VMware Fusion. Scroll down Terms and Conditions. Click Agree. Thank you for choosing VMware. Click Done. Unable to access accessibility. Click OK. Click Open System Settings. Enable VMware Fusion. Type Rohit password. Click Modify Settings. Close Accessibility. A new version of VMware Fusion is available. Right now I don't want to update. Click Remind Me Later. Close Notifications. Now the VMware is open. Now I am going to create virtual machine for Windows 11 25H2. I have already downloaded Windows 11 25H2 ISO. Click on Install from Disk or Image. Click Continue. Click Use another disk or disk image. Go to Windows 11 ISO image. Here it is. Click Allow. Click Open. ISO image is selected. Click Continue. Check UEFI Secure Boot. Click Continue. Set the encryption password. Click Continue. Click Customize Settings. This is default location to store virtual machine. Click Drop Down. I am store my virtual machine in Documents. Click Save. These are virtual machine settings. Click Processor and Memory. Default processor is 2 and memory is 4 gigabits. Click Show All. Click Hard Disk. Disk size is 64 gigabits. Click Show All. Click Advanced. Check on Disable Side Channel Mitigation. Click Show All. Now all setting is completed. Close Settings. Now our virtual machine is created. Go to Finder. Close VMware Installer. Eject VMware Fusion disk. Go to Finder. Click Documents. Here it is our Windows 11 virtual machine. Click Show Package Contents. Now this is our virtual machine, it is split form. Split form is good due to transport virtual machine 1 to another PC. This is virtual machine configuration file. Right-click on it. Click Open with. Text Edit. This is all information of virtual machine, like CPU, Ethernet. Click Close. Windows 11, x64, vmx.lck. Delete this folder. Sometime this folder can create issue to start virtual machine. Now close virtual machine. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to install VMware Fusion on Mac. How to create Windows 11 virtual machine in VMware. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.